Welcome back, creators! If you are tired of using your smartphone and want to capture professional-looking cinematic footage or crisp YouTube vlogs without emptying your wallet, you are in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the best video camera under $1,000. We've tested 5 incredible cameras that deliver stunning resolution, reliable autofocus, and perfect portability. Let's dive right in to find your new favorite camera.
Product number 1. Sony ZV-1F Vlog Camera. Starting off our list is the Sony ZV-1F Vlog Camera, specifically designed for content creators and beginner vloggers who want high-quality video in an ultra-compact body. This camera features a large 1-inch sensor and a fixed ultra-wide 20mm lens, which is absolutely perfect for capturing yourself and the surrounding scenery without heavily cropping your face. It shoots beautiful 4K video and incorporates Sony's legendary eye autofocus tracking, ensuring you are always perfectly sharp even while walking. One of its standout features is the product showcase setting, which instantly shifts focus from your face to an object you hold up to the lens, making it an essential tool for reviewers. The fully articulating touchscreen and directional built-in microphone make solo filming incredibly easy. If you want a pocket-sized powerhouse that offers a massive upgrade over your smartphone camera for daily vlogging, the ZV-1F is exceptional.
Product number 2. A Akeso EK7000 4K Action Camera. Next up is the Akeso EK7000 4K Action Camera, which is an incredible budget-friendly option for anyone needing a rugged, mountable camera for extreme sports or travel. While it costs a fraction of premium action cameras, it still delivers highly impressive 4K video at 30 frames per second and crisp 20-megapixel still photos. It comes with a durable waterproof case that allows you to dive up to 98 feet underwater, making it fantastic for snorkeling, surfing, or pool days. The built-in Wi-Fi makes it incredibly simple to connect the camera to your smartphone via the companion app, allowing you to quickly download and share your adventures on social media. It even includes a wireless wrist remote control, so you can start recording while the camera is mounted on your helmet or handlebars. For thrill seekers on a tight budget, the Akeso provides unbeatable value and versatility.
Product number 3. Canon EOS R50 Mirrorless Camera. Coming in at number 3 is the Canon EOS R50, a fantastic mirrorless camera that perfectly balances professional video features with beginner-friendly usability. It utilizes a highly capable APS-C sensor that captures stunning, oversampled 4K video, delivering remarkable detail and Canon's highly praised natural color science straight out of the box. The real magic of the R50 is its dual-pixel CMOS autofocus system, which locks onto your eyes and tracks your movements flawlessly, giving you complete confidence when filming yourself. It features a fully articulating touchscreen and a compact, lightweight body that feels great in your hands. Because it uses interchangeable RF lenses, you have the flexibility to upgrade your glass as your filmmaking skills grow. If you want an affordable, highly capable hybrid camera that excels in both video and photography for your YouTube channel, the EOS R50 is an absolute winner. Product number 4. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Our fourth contender is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, an incredibly innovative all-in-one vlogging camera that features a built-in 3-axis mechanical gimbal. This means you get flawlessly smooth cinematic footage while walking or running, completely eliminating the shaky, nauseating motion often found in handheld smartphone videos. It packs a massive 1-inch sensor, capturing breathtaking 4K footage at up to 120 frames per second for gorgeous slow motion, even in low light conditions. The bright 2-inch rotatable OLED touchscreen allows you to seamlessly switch between horizontal cinematic shooting and vertical video formats for social media with a simple twist. It also features advanced active track technology, which automatically pans and tilts the camera head to keep you perfectly centered in the frame. For travel vloggers who demand professional stabilization in a device that fits in their pocket, the Osmo Pocket 3 is unparalleled.
Product number 5.
Sony ZV-E10 mirrorless camera. Rounding out our list is the Sony ZV-E10, widely considered the ultimate interchangeable lens vlogging camera for under $1,000. It features a large APS-C sensor that delivers exceptional background blur and superior low-light performance compared to standard compact cameras. You get crisp 4K video recording, a fully articulating screen, and Sony's class-leading real-time tracking autofocus that simply refuses to lose your subject. What makes the ZV-E10 so powerful is its compatibility with Sony's massive E-mount lens ecosystem. You can attach a wide-angle lens for cramped indoor vlogs or a long zoom lens for shooting wildlife and events. It also boasts a high-quality 3-capsule directional microphone with an included wind muff for excellent audio capture directly out of the box. If you're a serious content creator looking for a highly customizable, professional-grade video camera that respects your budget, the ZV-E10 is spectacular.
Finally, the Canon EOS R50 and Sony ZV-E10 approach the higher end of this budget tier, but they fully justify the investment by delivering true APS-C sensor performance and access to professional interchangeable lenses.